In this video, I'll show you how to create a Game Pass in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox website and make sure you're signed in. Now click on Create in the top menu. From the left side, click on Creations. Select one of your experiences. Everyone has a default place, so you can use that if needed. Now scroll down on the left side and find Passes under Monetization. Click on it. Then scroll down and click on Create a Pass. You can upload a custom image or keep the default one. Now give your Game Pass a name and optionally add a description. Click on Create Pass. If you want to sell it, click on your Game Pass. From the left side, go to Sales. Turn on Item for Sale. Enter the amount of Robux you want to charge. Then click on Save Changes. And that's it. That's how you can create and sell a Game Pass in Roblox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.